Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this absolutely beautiful look. This is not a sew-in, this is crochet miracle knots. So this is the Yaki straight texture hair, and when I say I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. I know I say that about all the hair, but it's so true. Like, how can you not love this? This texture, 10 out of 10. Like, from a distance, you don't know if this is a bust down middle part, wig, or if it's these miracle knots. Achieving this look was super simple. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. The sun is even feeling this look because it's just shining in. But I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve this look on yourself at home. Don't pay a ton of money to sit in these shops, girlfriend. You can do your hair yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So I use 3 packs of this hair. I will put the link to this hair in the description box. I got this hair off of TikTok Shop. I have used several textures from this company. I've done wigs from them. I've done, I believe, other miracle knots, but I will leave the information in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. I cannot stop playing in my hair, as you can see, like my fingers can't stay out of it. It's so cute. And the hair is super long. I am 5'7", and it's coming all the way down to the waist. Let me take you down a little bit so that you can see. She's waist length. She's coming all the way down to the waist. So again, these are miracle knots. So I did miracle knots in the front, and then I just did the regular crochet in the back. Super simple install. The longest part was just sectioning off my hair and braiding the hair in. Crochet was super simple, but I love the miracle knot method because you can pull this up in different styles. Let me give you a 360, and we're going to get right into this tutorial. Look how full she is. We got inches, baby. 22 inches to be exact. Stiff wear. Absolutely love this. So crochet, regular crochet in the back, miracle knots in the front. I crocheted in 2 pieces for the miracle knots. So I braided in 1 piece with my hair, and then I crocheted 1 piece at the root, and that was it. And she's pretty full. I literally just finished this style. So this is the middle part, which I'm not even really a middle part girl, but this style is just giving middle part. But you can also wear her in a side part, which is definitely my go-to. This hair is super long, super full, and there's still not a lot of tangling, as you can see, running my hands right through it. So you can do this side part. You can do a half up, half down style. The styles are endless, and this is human hair, so it can be curled. So I'll probably throw a few curls in and see how that looks as well. If so, that'll be probably in another video, unless I decide to extend this one. Either way, stay tuned for this super easy, beginner-friendly tutorial, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. So if you have gotten this far into this video and you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? There is no fee to you. It is free 99. No excuses. Takes you about 10 seconds to hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because 2026, we're bringing the heat. Also, if you know somebody that needs some little hair inspiration or who would love this hair video, make sure that you share this with them and comment below what you think of this style and what style you want to see me do next. So I'm giving this style a 10 out of 10. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. I absolutely love how this turned out. The texture of this Yaki straight hair, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, and I got time to argue today. So let's go. But for real, this hair is super beautiful. I absolutely love it. I could keep this up for months, but of course, being the content creator that I am, I have other hair videos to do, but I'm definitely going to run this style back. Because this hair is human hair, you can reuse it. So I'm going to show you the takedown. I will do a video of the takedown and how I preserve the hair so that I can reuse it, because this, you will definitely see this look again. Absolutely love it. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.